Hi friends, it's Miranda. To start Circle, I thought we'd read a little poem. Party time. 10, 10 where when. 9, 9 where on time. 8, 8 are we late. 7, 7 is this heaven. 6, 6 how's tickets. 5, 5 who's arrived. 4, 4 who's at the door. 3, 3 is it me. 2, 2 is it you. 1, 1 the cake is done. That was a fun little poem. Today for Circle, we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I wanna, yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I can't stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. D is for duck. These are ducklings. Thanks for joining Circle today, friends. I'll see you next time.